Good day, good day, good day, good day. Welcome to our lesson. Today I'll be focusing on doing three different past paper questions. So these questions are based on the topic we covered last time about chromosomes. So I'll advise that you go and look at our playlist so that you can go through these questions having done the lesson which we did last time. So without wasting any time, I'm going to go straight to the questions. So they're telling us about Down syndrome here, which is a condition that results in extra chromosome number 21. So they've got two types of variation that occurs, which is trisomy number 21 and also mosaic Down syndrome. So now they're asking us in the first question, they want us to get the type of mutation that leads to trisomy 21. So remember, we've got three different types of mutation. We've got point mutation, we've got frame shift, and then whenever a mutation is occurring in the chromosome, we call it chromosomal mutation. Whenever mutation is occurring in the chromosome, we call it the chromosomal mutation. That's your lovely 1 mark. Now, remember during meiosis and mitosis, we have chromosomes or chromatids in anaphase 2 separating to different poles. So whenever the chromatids or chromosomes don't separate to different poles, they tend to stick together. So this lead to a process which will disturb the normal gamete formation. So they're asking us about the abnormal process during gamete production, which leads to this extra copy. So the process, we call it non-disjunction. It's non-disjunction during anaphase. They just want the name, so just say non-disjunction during anaphase 1 or anaphase 2. So now we've got two types of cell division. We've got meiosis and also mitosis. So they're asking us about the one which occurs after fertilization. Remember, meiosis occurs before the male and the sperm cells are fused together. Once male and female are fused together, now that's when mitosis will occur, but it can lead to more copies. So before the sperm and the egg cells fuse or meet together, we've got meiosis, but after we've got mitosis, which is another 1 mark. So we've got 1, 1, 1 so far. So now they're asking us in 2.4.2, describe the process which leads to trisomy 21. Here I'm going to give you guys different points that you must think about or put down. First of all, we know this is occurring in chromosome number 21 because it's giving us trisomy 21. So because it's giving us trisomy 21, we know this is occurring in chromosome number 21. So because it's occurring in chromosome number 21, we know that something is not normal because in a normal chromosome or karyotype, you need to have two chromosomes in chromosome number 21. But here we know that non-disjunction will occur in chromosome number 21. That should be your first point. Non-disjunction will occur in chromosome number 21. So remember, non-disjunction occurs during anaphase 1 or anaphase 2. So you must also include that point, that non-disjunction will occur in chromosome number 21 during anaphase 1 or anaphase 2. First point. Now, your next point, remember, we normally form two or a pair of chromosomes together. So due to non-disjunction, now there will be an extra chromosome. So instead of us forming a pair or two chromosomes, now we're going to form three. So there'll be a cell there. There'll be a cell. Now there'll be a cell, which instead of having two, it will be having three chromosomes. So when the cell has got three chromosomes in it, this tends to affect the fusion. Remember, this cell will need to mate with another cell to fuse to form an individual. So when during fusing, When tunnel change because of an extra pair here now. So this will lead to forming a cell now, which instead of having 1 and 2 chromosomes, it will then end up having an extra pair. So there will be a cell now, which instead of forming 2 chromosomes, it will form 3 chromosomes. So those points that I mentioned should be enough to give you 5 marks, because you will mention non-disjunction, anaphase 1 or anaphase 2, that there will be a cell having extra copy, then fusing or fertilization will occur. This will lead to a cell having 3 instead of 2 chromosomes. That's when trisomy 21 will result. So the last question, they're asking us to describe 2 differences between trisomy 21 and also mosaic Down syndrome. So remember, during trisomy 21, the trisomy 21 occurs um, in most organisms or most individuals. So trisomy 21 occurs in most individuals. And then also remember, trisomy 21 results in extra chromosome copy. So the extra chromosome copy will be in everyone in trisomy 21. But in mosaic, the extra chromosome 21 won't be in everyone. It will be in some, but not everyone. So in trisomy 21, the extra chromosome 21 is in everyone. Mosaic is not in everyone. So trisomy 21 is the most common one. Mosaic is the rare or it's less found. So those will be your 2 points which you can also focus on. And also, this is another point that they're giving us. Trisomy 21 occurs during gamete formation. They gave us in the paragraph here, gamete from production. The other one, after fertilization. So this will be a second point. First point, this one occurs in everyone or in every cell inside. This one occurs in others. Second point, gamete production, also cell division. That will be 1, 1, 1, 5. That's 8 marks plus 4. So this whole section was 12 marks. So next question we're going to focus on, this one was 2.2. So they gave us a Drosophila fruit fly, so lovely fruit fly. So they gave us the Carotep, which remember it represents the complete set of chromosomes in an individual. So they're giving us a male one. So this is the male set, and then a female set. So we know for us to form a fully Drosophila uh, fruit fly, the male and the female will be combined. So we know that 2N, the haploid cells, they've got 4 chromosomes. So the haploid cells of the male have got 4 chromosomes. The one of the female have got 4 chromosomes. So we know when they fuse, they're going to form 8 chromosomes, because it's 4 from the male, from the female, they're gonna combine to form 8 chromosomes. Already this is our sex chromosome that they're giving us. So we know that if it's 4, also there will be a haploid number. So therefore, overall, the new that will be formed will have a 2N of 8 chromosomes. So the first question they're asking us, Carotep. Carotep, remember, is the full set of full set of chromosomes in an individual. So what is the tablet number of the species? Yes, tablet number. They're asking us about 2N. That is tablet number. Is 2N. So we know that it's male is 4, female is 4. So therefore 2N will be 8. So the 2N will be 8. If they're asking for the haploid number, would have been N is equals to 4. So describe how sex in fruit flies is similar to humans. Okay, remember, as human, we've got XX and also XY. So also they've got X. The male has got XY, the female has got XX. So they're asking us how is it similar to us. We both have got the same sex chromosomes. We have got XY as males, female have got XX. So it's similar to us because we both have the similar or same sex chromosomes. So last question that I'm gonna do today. So we've got a different Carotep that they gave us here. They've got a Carotep of individual number A, Carotep of individual number B. So we check the Carotep. Yes, 23 chromosomes. So I can already see these two chromosomes here are the same or similar, meaning this will be two X chromosomes because they look the same. So there'll be two X chromosomes here. At number 23, okay, I've got a bigger one, which will be the X chromosome, and the smaller one, which will be the Y chromosome. So before I even look at the questions, I know that this one, number B, is the male, number A is the female, based on chromosome number 23. So always look at chromosome number 23. They'll give you a hint about the gender of the individual. So same chromosomes, it's XX, because XX are the same. And then if it's defined in the number 23, that's XY. So A, female, B, it's a male. So they're asking us name the type of diagram. Remember, it's a full set, which is the Carotep. In the previous one we did, they were asking for definition. Here they're asking about the diagram. It's a Carotep to give you a lovely 1 mark. So they're asking us state why it can be concluded that individual A belongs to a female. Remember, it's XX, XY. So we can see that it's same chromosome. So because it's same, A will be a female because they've got the same number 23 chromosomes. That's 2 marks. Oh, okay, that's nice. So state why the diagrams A 2.4.3. State why the diagrams above show chromosome of somatic cells, not gamete. Remember, somatic, it's full. They must go together. In a somatic cell, you'll have 2N. You get a diploid number. In gamete, it's haploid number. So they're giving us 2, 2. These are 2 chromosomes each, 2, 2 each. Therefore, they're giving us diploid numbers because it's 2 chromosomes each. But if they're giving us haploid number, you'll get 1 instead of 2. Here we're getting 2 of each. Number 1, 2. Number 2, 2. Number 3, 2. Same thing here. Number 9, 2. 8, 2, and so on and so on. So they're giving us 2 chromosomes. So meaning it must be somatic. When it's gamete, we get a haploid number. You get haploid number, which will be single chromosomes. But if it's diploid, it's somatic. Always remember, diploid, somatic. Gamete, haploid. Name the disorder that individual B has. So I go to number B. What's number B there? What does number B have? Okay, 2 chromosomes. 2 chromosomes. And then, oh yeah, look, number 20. Okay, so they're asking us about individual number B. Let's go to number B and check something about them. Okay, 1 to 5, that looks okay. 6 to 7, that looks okay. 13 to 18 looks okay. 21, okay, yeah, good. Just went straight to 21 to check if something is off. So 21 has got 3 sets of chromosomes. So we can see clearly that chromosome number 21 has got 3 sets of chromosome. Number 21 has got 3 sets of chromosomes. Therefore, we know that is trisomy 21. The disorder, Down syndrome. So they're asking us to describe the disorder in the previous question. We know it's Down syndrome. I know that Down syndrome Down syndrome results due to non-disjunction in chromosome number 21. So this condition results due to non-disjunction occurring during anaphase 1 or 2 in chromosome number 21. So when the non-disjunction occurs, this results in one cell having 21, one extra copy in chromosome number 21. That's how this disorder occurs, which is Down syndrome. So they're asking us about this question or no. So I'm done. Yeah, done. We've got 1, 2, that's 3, 5, 6, 9. So that's 9 marks. So all the questions we did today had a decent mark. And then thank you very much for participation. So next up, I'm going to try to do some sections in paper 1 also, so that we can at least do as much as possible about the whole syllabus of life science. And please subscribe. So please subscribe so that at least you can be up to date with all the content we're covering.